I am Molly. Oh man, there's candy.
There's gum in there, not candy.
There's gum in that bag. This is so much fun. I love myself. I am so fun. Hey sir, why are you close to the top of the bag? Sir? Sir? Okay, that concludes our show, folks. Goodbye. I love you. I love myself more. My children's names are Malin and Domly. Goodbye.